Right now is currently July 28th, 2018. We are currently watching the fireworks for the Pro Hall of Fame for football. And I kind of started recording like 4 minutes late. Right now it's like 10:05 at night. I'll stop talking. I might send out the other videos that I had caught, but my nephew was being annoying in them, and he might do that again in this. But I'm not going to film again, so I'm just going to put this up no matter what. That one I could see the firework going up. Whoa. Whoa, that one's cool. Oh, I just remembered I'm filming wrong. I'm going to turn the camera. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you'll still watch this, because, you know, vertical is AIDS. No one holds their camera like that. I'm going to zoom out a little. And this is getting long. There's this kid behind me who's literally copying my posture. Like, literally. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera vertical, and I bet he'll turn it vertical. Watch. Give it like a few seconds. And now he turns it vertically. See? This kid's just started copying. I mean, I don't really care. Like, he's like 6. Jeez, that's bright on the camera. Just falling. Now he's copying me again. Watch this. Oh, he's not copying me this time. See? I don't know. I'll end this video at 6 minutes. Because, like, you guys probably don't want to watch this if you do. So, I'll do the outro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you have enjoyed it. Click that bell icon for more video, so you'll get notified when I make more videos. And also, have a good one. Peace out.